Hi everyone, David here from Easy Gold, and today I'm going to take you on a little walkthrough of a new plugin called Image Ninja, and I'm using it an awful lot, to be honest with you, because of the type of work that I do. So let's just get on with it, and we'll go and show you what it actually does. So we're into our own personal Easy Gold site, and you can see there's nothing to do with Image Ninja here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to plugins and we're going to add a new plugin, and we're going to upload the plugin just as you would normally do. And we go here, we find Image Ninja. This is the version that we want. We're going to install it now, and away it goes and does its thing. Excuse me while I slurp some coffee at the same time. Okay, so just activate the plugin. It goes ahead and activates it. Takes a little bit of time to do this. There we go, it's done. And now we have Image Ninja here in the left hand menu, and we'll just click on this. And it will take you into the dashboard. Let's get rid of this little thing here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is an OpenAI API key, and there is a link here that'll open up and take you to where you need to be to get your API key. If you're not sure how to do it, just follow instructions. There's plenty on the web. So we're going to put an OpenAI key in here, and I'm going to just go and grab one from here. And of course I'm going to be blurring this out so that you guys can't see it. So that's that done. We'll put the API key in and we'll save and validate it. So it goes away and validates, and now it is validated. Okay, so this version will allow you to do a pro version as well. Okay, but if you don't want the pro version, then all you got to do is put in your API key and away you go. So what we will do, we'll go to some posts. We'll open that up in a new tab so you can see it. So we'll go to a post, and here's a post we did a little while ago now. Okay, so we'll open up the post so you can see where it is. And here it is right here. This is membership thing, that's nothing, but this is the generate image. Okay, and this is the standard version. All right, you have three image formats: a square 300 by 300 in WebP, because that's ideal for making very fast images. Okay, don't take up a lot of resources. And then you've obviously got the landscape version, which is bigger, which you can use for things like a featured image. Okay, so you could use it for a featured image. And you also have a portrait version here if you want it. Okay, now how Image Ninja works is very, very simple. Okay, so we'll just find somewhere. Okay, so we'll grab, here we go, we'll grab down here. Okay, because there's not much here. So all you need to do is grab a little bit of content like that, copy it, go up to generate image, and you can put that straight into the image prompt. Okay, we'll go for the square 300 by 300 and we'll just generate an image, and away it goes and generates it. Okay, that's great. It'll just take a minute or two now for DALL-E 3 to actually to figure things out and bring us a result of an image for what we've just pasted in there. And there we go, that's the image it's come back with. Okay, so we can now go here. I could put my cursor here. Okay, and we just go up here and we insert image into the editor, and we'll go back down, and there it is, inserted, ready to go. Okay, and we can change things around here. We can make it go left or right, so we'll make it go right, and then we'll just change the alt text on it. Okay, and the best way to change the alt text is like take a little bit of this, we'll just take that like that, do that, change this part and update it, and there you go. That's an image that is relevant to what we gave it. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one open, and I'm going to go back and put the pro version on, and then you can see the differences in the kind of images that it can create. So we go back here, and now we're going to put the pro license key in. Okay, and again, excuse me if things go blurry here. Here's the pro license key. We're going to drop it in here, and we'll go and verify the license, and it's validated, and then it opens up a Grok API key. This is for the pro feature. Okay, yes, we're using Grok. It works the best, I promise you. Okay, and again, you can just click on get your Grok API key here and follow the instructions, and you'll have your API key in no time. I've already got one, so I'm just going to again go and copy and paste it in. There we go, and it's done. We save and validate the Grok API key, all valid. Okay, and don't think you guys can go and put that pro license key in, because it will be revoked as soon as I've done this video. So it's all ready to go. So if we now go back into the same post, okay, and we're going to do a hard refresh. Okay, here's a hard refresh, Control F5 if anybody's wondering, and now we have a different output here in the generate image. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to enter the paragraph, so we'll probably use exactly the same paragraph, so you can see that I'm not cheating. Where did we put that? Oh yeah, I forgot that we put it, so I think we used this. Okay, don't forget, I didn't save it, I just hard refreshed it. Okay, so we're going to enter the paragraph in here, we're going to paste it in, and now we're going to enhance that with Grok, and away it goes. And now you can click one of the following 5 enhance prompts to fill out the image prompt below for processing. So we can have a little look at these: a vibrant digital interface, quiz game with users eagle entering. Okay, let's try this one. So that as soon as I clicked on it, the image prompt is now filled out, and now we also have a load of styles. Okay, if you want them. All right, lots of different styles. We leave it at none, so you can see the difference between just copy and pasting the couple of paragraphs and what it is with the enhanced. So let's generate an image now with the enhanced prompt. This is the nice thing about this, you don't have to think about how to prompt it. Grok just handles it in no time at all. And it's now going to generate an image. Just got to wait for it. Okay, so there we go. Totally different output to the first one. Okay, and we can do it in different styles. Alright, so we'll click the same thing so you can see a different style. So let's do a nice futuristic style, shall we? And we'll just generate the image again. So you can see the different ways that you can interact with this and get a different result for what you actually want. I think this image is far nicer than the one previously. Okay, so there we go. That's a nice futuristic one. Okay, and if you'd like, won't cheat, we'll use the same prompt again, and we can go to, I don't know, what should we do? Let's do a watercolor, just for the hell of it. Okay, and we'll see what it pops out. And there we go. That's even nicer than what we just got, and that's in watercolor. Okay, so there you have it. Now, unfortunately, this kind of thing, okay, I'm trying to write it out of this pro version where it will not put any kind of labels or text or whatever into it. it'll be done in the next, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, where we won't get any of this kind of stuff. But there you go, that's the pro version. Okay, basic version or standard version. Copy and paste a paragraph or so into the prompt and let it go. Or with the enhanced version, we enhance it with Grok. We get 5 different prompts back. You can choose whichever you want. Okay, and whichever one you click on. Okay, we'll just hit this one for a minute. Let's do something different. Let's go for photorealistic on this one for the hell of it, and we'll generate another one. And of course, there are also an awful lot more image formats in here. Okay, so initially you only get the square, landscape and portrait. Now you can also get a product square, so you can actually use this in the products, the WooCommerce products. You'll get a native square, which is 1024, 1024, and then you'll get native landscape and native portrait as well. The 1280 by 720, I particularly wanted that so I could use it for a YouTube thumbnail. That's the sizes that they want. And there we go. That's the photorealistic one with a slightly different prompt. Quite nice, useful, photorealistic, all good. And that is about as much as I can tell you about Image Ninja. It works beautifully. I will have a little look inside the code briefly, just to make sure that we don't get the labels and text and things done. And there you go. All good. And I'll catch you later.